Hey troops, what is up and welcome back to another tech review. If you're new to this channel guys, I am Jude Rico, and in today's video we are going to do a quick camera test of this new iPhone 13 that I've got guys. Yes guys, I got the new iPhone 13 and it's the alpine green guys. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is guys. So in this video guys, I'm going to talk about the features that I love about this new iPhone 13 guys, especially in its camera, battery life, and its display guys, or its design. So let's hop right into the video guys. By the way, I bought this iPhone 13 alpine green color from DBC iGadgets guys. They are located at IT Park 2nd floor, Ayala Center block, in a trading block guys. So you guys better check their store guys, because they offer the cheapest and the most legit and original iPhones around Cebu City. So if you're from Cebu City and if you're looking for the cheapest and the most affordable iPhone models, DBC iGadgets is the iPhone store that I would highly recommend to you guys. So yes guys, about 2 years ago I also made a camera test with my iPhone 11 and you guys really loved it, and you guys are really looking forward to me making a lot of tech reviews. But right now this is my first tech review since 2020. But right now guys, I am happy to tell you guys that we are gonna be enjoying this one right now guys, this new iPhone 13 alpine green, because this is really worth spending the time to shoot for this one, because this is really the model that I personally love guys since iPhone 11 was released. The design is very sleek guys. Look at this. It's flat design on its sides. It's really sleek and it's really classy looking. And guys, because of your massive support to our tech reviews guys, we actually won an award last year, just December 2021 guys. We won an award for the best review blogger of the year guys. So it really was an honor for me to receive that award, because I wasn't expecting to win that award, because there are so many good competitors along the way, but we really won that award guys. This is the trophy guys. I will show it to you. This is how it looks like guys, and that's what you guys can see. If you could see that one guys, the best vlogger for 2021 review category goes to Jude Rico, your man. So guys, thank you very much for your support, and it really means so much to me to be able to win this award. And they actually also have a medal guys. Look at this. This is from Bisaya YouTubers Club. Thank you very much Bisaya YouTubers Club for acknowledging and appreciating my work. This is my first ever award since my content creation journey guys, so this is really a huge part of my journey guys. So thank you very much guys for all of your support. So back into our main topic guys, we're now going to talk about everything that I love about this new iPhone 13 guys, its features and everything guys. So first, I would like to commend their very sleek design guys. Look at this. They brought back this very sleek flat design on the side guys, and I really loved it. Since they released the iPhone 12, I really loved the design guys. But that time I wasn't really expecting, or I wasn't really thinking about upgrading my iPhone 11 to iPhone 12, because I really know that it's not going to be a huge jump, or it's not going to be a huge upgrade. So that is why right now I really finally decided to upgrade to iPhone 13, and it really exceeded my expectations, because look at the design guys. It is really beautiful, and especially the color. If you really love the green color as well, you'll definitely love this one guys, because look at the design. And one thing I love about its design right now guys is its camera lens orientation guys. It is now in diagonal position compared to that iPhone 11 and iPhone 12's camera orientation, which is vertical. So yes guys, I personally think that it is really much nicer to look at compared to those iPhone 12 and iPhone 11's camera lens orientation. Look at it guys. It is really beautiful, and it is really nice to look at. Another cool thing that I love about this iPhone 13 guys is that its bezels are now thinner, and its notch is much smaller compared to that of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 models. The thinner bezels that this iPhone 13 has guys is really a huge factor for me, especially when I play games on my phone, and especially I do most of the time managing my social media accounts, and also sometimes watch Netflix on my phone alone. Next up guys, another thing that I love about this iPhone 13 is that the responsiveness of its display guys. It's really smooth guys. Even though it only comes with a 4GB of RAM and 60Hz display compared to that Pro models which has 120Hz display right now. But for me guys, it is honestly one of the most smoothest and one of the most responsive iPhone models that I've ever tested, guys. It is really good. It is worth the price. I bet you guys are really excited to see the camera test as what the title of this video says. But guys, let's first talk about its battery life, because this is one of the most important things that you must consider when choosing an iPhone or even choosing an Android phone. So personally guys, upon using this phone for how many weeks right now, and since I'm a vlogger and content creator, I really loved the battery life of this one, guys. It really lasts longer compared to my iPhone 11. It actually allows me to shoot high resolution videos in a longer period of time, guys, whether for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook, or for YouTube. It really allows me to shoot for a longer period of time compared to my iPhone 11, guys. So this is one thing that I love about this iPhone 13, guys, because its battery life is way better compared to the previous models. So guys, this is the exact moment that you guys have been waiting for. The camera test and the camera features that I love about this iPhone 13. I was actually really able to shoot some videos in order for you guys to really see what the iPhone 13 video looks like, and also took some photos outside our house in order for you guys to be able to see what it really looks like using this iPhone 13. So the very first camera feature that we're going to talk about in this iPhone 13, guys, is its very controversial and latest feature, which is the cinematic mode. Guys, I tell you guys, I really love the cinematic mode of this iPhone 13, but of course there is some downside when using the cinematic mode, especially when you're shooting with a subject and it detects a face of a person. It just focuses on that face, guys, and not on your subject or not on the object that you're shooting with. So that's a downside, guys. I'm really looking forward it can improve next year or maybe on the iOS updates. But overall, guys, I really love the cinematic mode, even if it's only shooting for up to 30 frames per second. But it's already really nice to look at, and it's really cinematic, guys. From the word itself, cinematic mode, and it's really worth it, guys. The video quality of the cinematic mode, guys, is really great. That is one of the reasons why I really loved this feature. The next feature that I love about this iPhone 13 is its improved video stabilization. Its video stabilization is much improved compared to the previous models of iPhones, guys. iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 or the Pro models, it is really much improved in this iPhone 13, guys. So this is one of the things that I love, especially I'm a content creator and I really love to take videos without using a gimbal. Yes guys, that is the truth about the video stabilization in this iPhone 13. You won't have to worry about using a gimbal anymore because it is very smooth and stable. I have a sample video for that, and here it is. One thing that you need to remember, guys, when you're shooting a video with your iPhone 13 is that you need to turn the HDR mode off in order for you to be able to save a battery. If you're the type who's not really into HDR videos, you better turn it off if you want a longer battery life, because it's surely gonna consume your battery real faster. One thing I really don't like when recording HDR videos is that I think it's gonna make your skin look darker when the light is overexposed or when you're under the sun, because that time when we were shooting the video, I'm shooting a video with my girlfriend. I don't know what really happens in that video, but all I know is that the HDR mode is on. So yes guys, I turned it off because it really is not a good video output to look at. And for me, that's, you know, my personal opinion about the HDR video. Turn it on. So if you don't want to see a video like what I recorded in the beach with my girlfriend, it is really a bad video output. So yes guys, I highly recommend that you guys turn it off. And also one good thing when you turn it off is that it's gonna save your battery life. So let's go over to the photos. Well, nothing really changed when it comes to the photo or image quality of the iPhone, guys. Especially right now in this iPhone 13, it is really expected to be much improved and much high resolution photo. Just like in its video cinematic mode, guys, the portrait mode really have improved so much in this iPhone 13, guys. Especially when it comes to its details and background blur, really much improved, guys, and I really loved it. Another cool photo camera feature that I really love, guys, is its night mode. So that's basically everything I love about the camera of the iPhone 13, guys. And there's one bonus review that I'm going to share with you guys, and it's the microphone, the built-in microphone of the iPhone 13. Because I know for a fact there are also content creators like me who might be watching this vlog and might be wondering as well, how does the built-in microphone of the iPhone 13 sound like? So here's the video sample, guys, and I hope that I will be able to give you a very clear sample of the microphone, built-in microphone of the iPhone 13 and how it sounds like in the real-world test. So ngayon naman, guys, is itatest natin yung microphone, built-in microphone niya. So gagamitin natin yung boses ng girlfriend ko since malakas yung boses niya. So babe, yung normal voice mo.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines.
So this is how the built-in microphone of the iPhone 13 sounds like, guys. So ano sa tingin niyo? Malakas ba o mahina?
Malakas.
So I guess this wraps everything up, guys, but before I end this video, I would like to ask you guys these questions. What do you guys think about the iPhone 13 features? Is it worth upgrading from iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 to the 13? What do you guys think about the camera features? What do you guys think about the battery life? And what do you guys think about its design and its display? So leave a comment down below, guys. I really read all of them. And again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do become a part of our ever fast growing YouTube family by clicking on that subscribe button below. And if you feel like you've learned something or if you found this video informative, please don't forget to drop me a like down below as well. So that's basically it for today's video, guys, for today's tech review, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.